Petrol and diesel prices across the city soared to an all-time high levels once again on October 7th. The rates were hiked again in line with the spurt in international oil prices. Petrol was increased by 30 paise per litre and diesel by 35 paise per litre. The price of petrol in Delhi rose to its highest ever level of 103.24 per litre and 209.25 per litre in Mumbai. Diesel rates too touched a record high of 91.42 per litre in Delhi and inched closer to the 100 rupee mark in Mumbai. Petrol prices, which are dictated by the incidence of local taxes and freight, had already crossed the 100 rupee mark in several places in Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat. Now the only state capitals where petrol costs less than Rs 100 are Dehradun, Chandigarh, Guwahati and Ranchi. Diesel is already above the 100 rupees mark in several cities in Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Odisha, Andhra and Telangana. Sri Ganganagar, the border town in Rajasthan, has the costliest fuel in the country, with petrol costing Rs 115.14 per litre and diesel at Rs 105.64 per litre. State-owned fuel retailers have in the past days resorted to the modest increases to align domestic rates with cost. But the international benchmark Brent crude soaring to $81 per barrel and the decision by OPEC to not increase output more than 0.4 million barrels per day, fuel rates are being increased by a large proportion. India, being a net importer of oil, prices petrol and diesel at rates equivalent to international prices. With the international crude oil prices moving in both directions during July and August, no price increase was carried out by oil marketing companies from July 18th to September 23rd. Instead, petrol price was in fact cut by 0.65 per litre and diesel by Rs 1.25 per litre. However, with no respite from surging international prices, oil companies have now started increasing their retail rates with effect from September end.